Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to turn on Facebook pop-up notifications on your mobile device. If you want to make sure you never miss updates, messages, or activity on your account, this is the setting you need. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all the app controls and permissions are managed, so you'll be able to find exactly where Facebook handles notifications. Next, scroll through your list of options until you find apps, or sometimes called app management, depending on your phone's brand or operating system. Tap to open it. Now, locate the Facebook app in that list. You can scroll down to find it or use the search bar if your phone has one. Once you see Facebook, tap on it to open the app's settings page. Inside, look for the notifications section. This is where you can control which types of alerts Facebook can send you: sounds, banners, and pop-ups. Go ahead and tap on Notifications to continue. From here, find the Pop-up Notifications option. This specific setting allows Facebook to display small windows or banners on your screen, even when you're not using the app. These quick notifications help you stay updated in real time. Finally, toggle the switch to turn this feature on. Once enabled, you'll start receiving Facebook pop-up notifications instantly whenever someone interacts with your posts, sends you a message, or reacts to your content. If you ever want to turn this feature off, you can follow the same steps and toggle it back again. It's that easy. That's all you need to do to enable Facebook pop-up notifications on your mobile. Take a moment to check that all your notification preferences are set the way you like, and you're ready to stay connected and never miss an update again. Thanks for watching.